Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel item on Temu. This will be a step-by-step tutorial and this is very easy to follow, so make sure you follow till the end. So first of all, you have to just go to your Temu, right? And it's very easy. So once you're here, you can see basically there will be a something pop up. Just close it, and once you close it, you can see there's a profile icon here in the center. So just click on you, and once you click on you will get this option of your orders. Just go there, and here you will find all your orders here, right? So whatever order you have purchased, or whether it's in a processing, shipped or delivery, you can just cancel that order if it is in a ship process or it is in a processing center. So just select that order and you will get option to cancel it, and you will able to cancel it in just few taps or in few seconds. So this is very easy to cancel. By the way, if you face any kind of issue where you are not able to cancel, then there is always a help center. You can just click on support, you can click on order issue, and here you can just click on buying on Temu or order changes. Or in this way, once you click on here, you can, for example, you can just select any one of them option, and you will have to click on the no. And here you have to enter that this is my order ID, this is my order number, this is my order name, the product name, and you just enter all the information and they will cancel on their own. So this is the two-step where you can just cancel items on Temu. I hope you found this video very useful. If it did, subscribe.